guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Welcome guys. Today we have a double unboxing. Well, kind of one because I already shared an unboxing for the base box, but this is going to be a battle comparing the PR box that I received with the box that I actually paid more for myself. I have not opened it yet. I want to do it together, but just kind of like looking at the boxes together. This is the one that I just received. I paid, and it does look a little smaller compared to the one I received in my PR. God, I just noticed a big difference, but this one does feel a little heavier. So let's go ahead and see which variation I received. So if you guys want to see the battle, which one was better, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, before I get started, I want to share something else with you. I don't want to take too much of this time, and you're going to see this video is going to be a lot shorter, but there's something that I do want to share. And once again, I was able to this company RoseForever reach out to me. I think this is one of those perfect gifts because it's flowers. We sometimes give flowers, but they don't last that long, and these flowers, guys, last over, well, it's been almost a year, so it could last even longer than that. And this, I feel like, is a perfect gift, not only for Mother's Day that passed, but maybe in some places it's almost there, but it could be for any other present that you guys want to give. So I want to show you guys the website real quickly. And guys, now there's so many more options. The bad thing of that is that I couldn't even select the options that I wanted because most of them were sold out. I wanted the one with the marble effect, even the pink tones, different tones, but most of them were already sold out, so I couldn't get any of those. So I decided to go with almost the same one as mine, as I had before, but this one is the square size. So guys, look at this. I mean, if you get this is it's just such a luxury, beautiful present. And look how pretty they are, guys. Look how pretty it is. They have so many options, so many sizes. They usually have a lot of deals going on, and it comes with the lid. You guys could leave it closed, but what I love is that you could actually put it inside and it fits perfectly. This is a great way for you to get flowers that are, you know, is gonna last not a week, not 2 weeks, but almost over a year. So I'm going to show you the one that I received and the one that I received last year. So this is the one that I got last year, and look at the flowers. I always keep it open. You do smell a little bit of the scent, but what I smell the most is the velvet. I barely cleaned this. I know it's embarrassing, but if you were to pick one of these for a birthday, for even graduation, oh my God, could you imagine these flowers for graduation? So pretty. Imagine having the flowers for the school color. That will be really pretty. Wow, what a beautiful present this will be. Guys, let me know which one you guys like the most. So now let's go ahead now with the unboxing. So let's go ahead and recap real quick which variation I received that was sent to me. As you know, I did not get a chance to pick the choice item, so I try to use some of the products that I did receive from this box. Since the first unboxing, I just tried it on camera. So this was my variation. I have this. I actually purchased this, like I mentioned on that video. I love it, and what I do now is I mix it with an oil that I received from my premium box from the previous month, and I love that combination. I only do this 2 or 3 times a week, and I love how soft my skin feels. I also use this blush. This also was in a premium box, I believe, but I try to use most of the products. This was my first time trying this. It's like a skincare but also a primer, and I feel like it's holding pretty good, and I love how it feel like just really skincare. So far so good. And I did apply this on my eyelid. I did not put concealer, and I was impressed. I felt like it did not cover as much, but just a little bit goes a long way, and it's not bad. I feel like this is maybe my go-to now. And I also received the dewy blush. The shade I received was coconut, and I felt like this color was weird, so what I did was I applied this, but I also gave it a little touch from this blush that I am loving. So not a bad box, not a bad variation. I did not try this today. I think it's the only thing I did not try, but so far it was a good variation, but it was sent to me. But I want to see what I received, so let's go ahead and open that. And this is the box. I have not seen what I have in here. We have the card, and at the end I'm going to tell you my retail value. As you know, this is the Super Bloom mug. Oh my God, this is almost like the same variation. I cannot believe this. I feel like this is the same variation. Oh my God, look at this, guys. I selected this as my free item because I already had the other 2 palettes. I did not get the code, so it says you get code, so you could go ahead and shop or mega shop and select an item to those 2 palettes I had, so I selected this instead. But this is the same variation I have. I was actually thinking that. I was like, you know what if I get another honeymoon glow? I'm like, you know what, now I'm gonna have 3 if I do get one. $40 for this thing, so I can't believe I got that. I'm glad that I got it because I did like it. But now let's go ahead and see what shade I got for this one, since I already have that. Guys, I can't believe I got the same thing, the same variation. And let me see if it's the same shade. It is the same shade. Oh my god, I'm glad that I like some of this product, so this was pretty nice. And let me see if I got the same shade for the dewy blush. So let's go ahead and check it out, because I know for the one I got, it was cold coconut. It is the same one. I wish at least for this I got a darker, richer, I don't know, tone. It's not bad, but I feel like I had to add more. And I do like the Natasha Denona blush. Guys, I can't believe it. The same one. The same thing. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? I know there's so many variations that we tend to see, so does it mean that they're kind of changing and we're going to be seeing less variation? Because there's some products that are being duplicate in a sense that you get to see it maybe 2 months later, but just because you see it doesn't mean the same person's gonna get it. It's just another item that we get to see maybe 2 months later. I'm glad that I did like my box, and I've been trying those products, or I just tried some of them today and I like them, and I love this one. I actually paid for it, but I don't know what to think. I wish it was something different. I really do. It's funny how sometimes we complain that we want something different, and the minute we don't get it, it's like, what's going on? Is this a good thing, or we're gonna be seeing less variations? I don't know. I just got the same thing. I can't believe it. I wanted to share side by side my variation, but pretty much it's the same thing I got in my other unboxing. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you guys trying them on or showing you up close, because I already did that in the other video. So I'm gonna put it on this section so you guys could check it out if you guys want to see more close up on the products. But yep, same variation that I paid for. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me. I am shocked, guys. I am. Thank you guys, and until the next video, bye.